No, cool.
Let me comb it down. Just.
It's hot, you know? No, comb. No. Chopping the line, chopping the line, chopping the line. Some brand new design, chopping the line. So we roll out like night, I get right on bike back. You buy the bike and go tell her to ride that. And you buy the car, tell her to drive that. And you buy the plane and go tell her to fly that. Suicide talk she have, tell her to try that. When she fly like fiber, catch her like a ratchet. Tell her now, represent you for big cat, and we not touch small gap. They will start killing, run out Lamborghini, no power machine, make her want to free me like TV. And we that spin like CD, you like a shit to me, just like
Him pretty boy that nobody sleep.
So we are go out. Tell me some things, the man. Talk
No, sir, because I don't have the money on the camera. Me don't.
No,
like
me I cut that. Me
part.
can't cut that.
Me don't know what you telling you, say.
What I mean by the girl them we are trouble up on the road. Talk
But
about
no
them.
girl not trip on the road. The girls them treat me nice. on
All
the
the
road.
one with the goat where you tell say if you stop fuck the
I
goat.
know girl boy. You
Yeah.
eat goat meat.
Yeah.
Eh?
If me eat goat meat, no. After what you say,
You
must say mad, me stop eat at the
you
same
shave
time.
out your eyebrow though.
So
No, I
them-
tell them we stop have sex with the goat because people have to buy goat meat and eat, and that's not nice.
Nice.
And a lot of people are doing it, especially in St. Anne, St. Mary, I was told,
Okay.
and St. Catherine, this parish. in
What they
Bigger.
doing?
Fuck off the goat then. No, it's not a laughing.
A serious something.
Yes, a serious something.
So sometimes when the goat
And I
them
was
pregnant.
told that it's going on. What? Sometimes when they go interesting, when they got them pregnant,
A
a
man
human
bring them.
baby, you know the goat. I know good kid.
A human-
All right, you too plenty. That's enough.
Take care,
But
take
it's
care.
cute, very interesting.
Yeah.
When the kid them, they, you know, see how some kid when it born. No, put fun and joke aside.
Yeah.
I was looking at some goats about 30 years ago. And I said, I know a man where the goat, the ram goat, almost look like the man. So very interesting. We have to check it out if human can get the goat pregnant. What do you think?
We have to check that.
No, but you should know you're brighter than me.
No man, you're there before me.
In fact, that somebody say more, some of them are jock horses. They don't know nothing.
All right,
But
take care,
anyway,
mommy.
I hardly want to think that the human can get the goat pregnant. But
Yeah.
I have seen goat who
Goat
look
look
like
like
a man.
human,
Yes,
yeah.
human. Honest.
All right, take care. Love you.
Huh? Huh?
Are you in Jaden?
When him?
Jaden.
We not to call name, I know him one and holy.
All right.
Take care, yeah.
Say that go on.
Yo, me said don't put no comb in her ear. No comb, bro.
Your ear have a comb.
Bad man, me said no comb.
Just one comb, dog.
Zidane, me said no comb.
Just one comb, bro. It have a
Me
comb on.
said no comb.
Let me comb it down. Just.
It's hot, you know? No comb. No comb.
I'm a dog.
Keeping up with Jerry and Romaxi Tech Jack and Senave no memory.
I try to fool up your head. The back not done. I was the back left.
Yeah, but you don't know you're a veteran. I think she have to learn little knowledge. Oh, I'm to her.
She that joke and she don't have no memory. She a joke by a brother of Jackie Lally, them joke her with the virus. So when we talk today, she don't remember that tomorrow, you know.
So Jerry, let me ask something. She still dance? You know, so she had a big dancer?
No, she start dance.
Oh, so she hype now.
She not hype. So this, what she do, her career, how I deal with it, yeah? She have a crew. For the video shoot and them something that them have a crew. But them a bill.
Yeah.
But she not dance again.
Oh, she a manager now.
Yeah, she a producer and director. And she a journalist too. She a journalist for dancehall.
Easy not tell me them things are easy. I am a thief from all long.
I'm telling you, she a journalist for dancehall and she a manager and director. She start dance.
So who a cook for her nowadays? Who give her food?
Her sister and friends. She don't have no time to cook. No one them. Better not have.
Jerry.
Better eat junk food. Yes, it's patty, burger, and when them Kentucky. If you put a burger, you get fat. Better not have no time to cook. better not have no time.
Easy.
I don't care you work hard to get there, you have to wait long to get the money. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Bomb up. I'm going to go for a robber and shoot. I'm going to shoot somebody bomb up. Then I come in with it. I see them come down here. See them come down here. When they catch them, I ask them to come down. See chop them there, yeah. Go on them. You see them come? Ask them to come down. Dirty bomb up, junk. Prime Minister, I'm alone to blood clot cold fridge. And two clothes in a washing machine and we have to wash with me. And suck them and bomb up clot. I go back at town, you know, and let Mobile go back at town. And Mobile man, them not kill people. They laugh with police. So now we not play with them. I think come up and bomb up clot when you have to. I find bomb up clot. They go back at town, because Mobile people them have bomb up wall. They not kill nobody. No laugh up with people. Oh my God. Government to work it out of the can. So, we don't have bomb up that to the government.
Boy, come and go here.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
They give one two. Yes, we know. You want to go. Why come in that you don't talk about what is the matter? You looking at him through your hand and full up a matter. The people them a laugh when them are easier. I think them sound scatter. Find the rhythm when him can't scatter. I jump up and down like him a smell black pepper. I tell the people that I name the dapper. Whatever you name them, kill mosquito. Why you ignorant and why you get a love them. I over hospital because he can't treasure. Doctor say him have high blood pressure. If he can't carry a little bit of sugar, he get the liver no. Buckler matter. What is the program? Matters before illusion. Talking to all them leaders in a them institution. Tell them to get the bomber cloth age ready set for repatriation. And if them no do that, there will no more celebration. We and them now go have no more connection. Cut off the line of our communication. Hear the up in the mouth and it's all like a lion. Hear the voice, but them not know the meditation. Can't they go every day? And a young man, the youth them a appeal, so them a get too much sentence. A bill and game,
Pussy bully. Pussy bully, Pussy bully.
Alright, I tell you how to make time out of not no one. You are telling me to US.
Yes, that I'm up here.
But you are bad man. Jamaica, buddy. They are good service.
I saw them girl bad good service. Pussy bully, sir. Alright, sir, me done talk. Alright, pussy bully.